everybody, it's me, Miss You, and we're going to be creating a heating element from a coffee maker. This is what it's going to be looking like. It's going to be U-shaped. One side is tapered, one side has threads. It's going to be hollow. These elements are usually hollow because we have a wire going through it to heat up the element. So let's take a look and see what's going on. Let's do the front view. I'm going to create a U shape, which is 2 lines. Have 1 line that goes along vertical. I'm going to do an arc. We're going to do a line that goes vertical again from the other end. And it does not reach down as low. Next, we're going to dimension everything. The longer side is 2.31. Shorter side is 1.81. And then the arc itself well, I'm not going to do the arc. I'm going to go do the distance between. The arc is 1.96 divided by 2. And that is the distance between the 2 lines, between here and here. Arcs are measured in radius. Circles are measured in diameter. And I'm going to also do the distance between the 2 lines. No, wait. Since from here to here is 1.96. And I have it. Great. And our heating element is done. We're now going to do the sweep. We're going to now look at it isometrically. I'm going to select the top view. And we're going to draw a circle on the, we're going to sketch a circle on the top view. That, of course, is perpendicular to the front view. And we're going to run that circle through the element to create our sweep. We're going to dimension it over here. It's 0.37. Okay. And our sketch is done, fully dimensioned. It's only a circle, but now we have to do the sweep. This is our sweep function. We're going to select the face of the circle, and now we're going to do the sweep path over here. And we're just going to select each of the pieces as we go through it. Excellent. So our element is done. The next step that we're going to do is we're going to do the tapered end. The taper end is right over here. This piece over here, we don't have great dimensions for it, so some of it is going to be approximated, but you see it's only 1/4 of an inch, so we're going to add on 1/4 of an inch as we you do the revolve feature. So we have a curved piece, but we want to draw a straight line. So what you want to do, once we go into sketch, front plane, we want to use the projected view. Here we go. I have a nice projected view, and now I'm going to go to the line draw. I'm going to look for the center. It's right, that square that shows up. I'm going to go down. I'm going across, going up, and I'm making a full trapezoid. Oh, there you go. We're going to dimension it a little bit. So we know that the height over here needs to be 0.25 of an inch. We want the bottom to be, if this is 0.37, we just want a tiny taper. I'm going to call this 0.15. And everything's adjusted at this point. We're going to end our sketch. And now we're going to do, this is a trapezoid, and we're going to do the revolve function. So again, this is the revolve function. We want to select the face that we're going to revolve. Then we want to do the axes. And our tapered edge is done. The next thing that we're going to do with our element is we're going to shell it out, or to create a hollow tunnel. And I want you to look at this drawing, and what it tells us is the outside is 0.37, the outside diameter. The inside diameter is 0.27. That means that there's 0.1 in between, but the 0.1 is divided on each side, so the thickness of our shell is going to be 0.05. So let me go over here. I'm going to, I want to do it so I could see the shell, the bottom. I'm going to select the shell function. I'm going to put in the thickness, 0.05. And now I'm going to do the faces to remove. I have one, I have two, and that looks great. So let's look at it isometrically again. The next video is going to go over how to do the treads. We'll see you soon.